Hey everyone. So in this video we'll cover about this chatbot with message summarization and external DB memory. So in the previous video we covered about this normal graph states with memory, like majorly to save the token limits, like to save the tokens, right? So that's the purpose why we're going for summarization. Now, the interesting thing here is like instead of storing the results in the state, like we can store the results in DB, like database. So, it LangGraph provides one feature that is known as this uh, like memory kind of thing. Like you can see this example. So directly we can load this SQLite, and from connect we can pass this memory. So you can check this, you can create one sample TB also. So majorly from this LangGraph checkpoint SQLite, you can import this SQLite server. So on the top, whatever you connection made, right? So that you can pass here. So so what it will do is like these methods, these things are same. Like in the previous video, what we covered, like how to call the model and how to summarize the conversation. These methods all are same, but only difference or only point which was adding here is uh, let's say even if I restart the kernel, right, notebook kernel, uh, this will work fine because these results are stored in SQLite DB on your local, like wherever you are running your script at that particular working directory. So these results will be stored. So because of that, even if you are not using, like let's say you like you implemented this flow, and once you done, again you started again, so these results already stored in the DB, then in that way it will be helpful for you, so you don't need to restart the things again. So the major advantage with this SQLite DB is like it's a one time activity, right? Once you set it, you can store the results in the DB, then it will be there in your local. It won't go like even majorly you can say persist memory, so it will be there as a persist state, right? So we have persistent memory and all those stuff, right? So in the same way, so the major advantage with this external DB memory is like you can store the results in your DB so that whenever you need, you can call that. So same thing you can implement with the Postgres also. Postgres is majorly for this production level server. So the main point which I want to cover here is like there is a methods available in this LangGraph checkpoint.sqlite. With this, with the help of this, you can store the data in the DB. So that is a major motto of this video. So rest everything is same. So that's it, and this is a short video. I just want to cover this point. Like we can store the data in a external memory, in a database way. So irrespective of your summarization technique, this is also one of the technique. I want to cover this. Okay, so we'll see the next things in the next tutorials, and till then, take care, enjoy.